Welcome to JA Lifestyle. We are on the Zaka token website. You can go in this website and check each and every details. But first, my request is to everyone not to do any sign up, anything right now. All videos will be coming on YouTube and our top leaders will be also sharing you in all the meetings. So don't do anything, don't do any experiment on this site. First understand the system. Our top leaders will be guiding you how to go about. Don't sign up, don't mess up anything. If any mistakes is done, it cannot be rectified in cryptocurrencies. So kindly wait for a proper time, as we have waited so patiently for these coins. So be patient. Our leaders will guide you. Attend all the meetings and go to the system. Read 5 to 6 times what it means. Every term has different meanings. Go through each and every detail. Now we start. Empower and commit. Create your own financial world tailored for you by you with only the service that you use. It's a local and global services when you need them the most. It can be used anywhere. Our goal is to provide local and global service to communities and individuals that otherwise are unable to access them. From a single spending account to insurance or a project crowdfunding, we aim to make each individual strive individually within the community. What are the highlights of this? Peer-to-peer transaction. There can be a direct transaction between wallets, no middleman required, no restrictions. You can do direct transaction from wallet to wallet. From here, you can do your transaction anywhere in the corner of the world. It is borderless. This Zaka platform is fully protected with a high quality infrastructure, with entire ecosystem designed to ensure the maximum protection of assets at all times. You can borrow this. This will be declared. This will be explained very clearly during the meetings. Now wait. It will now. Don't go for rush anything. Wait. Secure wallet. Security above all else. Military grade infrastructure to ensure complete security on your assets. You can also earn interest up to 25 annual interest, add or withdraw funds anytime on your assets. You can also loan it. Everything is possible in this. This is different. It's a very unique coin. So wait patiently. Everything will go smoothly. What is our roadmap? A roadmap is a work in progress. Many partnerships are being discussed and functionality closed. This is the tentative schedule of the rollout of the ecosystem components. Here they have shown all the phases that this coin will go. And the first phase is of till January to March, where all the tokens that we have, crypto bonus that we have in JA wallet, that will be converted into Zaka coins. Means if you have 200 tokens, crypto bonus in your wallet, it will convert it into 20,000 token coins between January to March. In second phase, April to June, you can enable transaction between wallets. You can do your staking. You can, as a fixed deposit, you can stake your coins. This will be explained clearly. Now don't go in hush. Only understanding the words of staking everything. In third phase, July to September, release of exchange, release of point of sale for merchants, release of mobile wallet. Phase 4, October to December 2022, release of lending and borrow platform. These coins will go on all these 4 phases. These all will be told to you in a very clearly in meetings and in YouTube. So don't go for rush. Wait patiently. Go through all the website. Frequently ask questions. Now understand each and everything. What is each and every term means? What is Zaka token? You can click here. You will understand what it means. See, what is Zaka means? Zaka means you want peace and harmony in all aspects of your life. You want to devote all your life to someone or something. You need friends and society. You appreciate the refinements of life. You desire comfort and security. See the so nice meaning they have given us. Zaka is really special. It will change the life of each and every person, common people. Because Jalai, when he came in, his main goal was to change the lifestyle of common people. Big people have all the luxuries, but common people don't have. He'll make you give all this. He wants to give you all this freedom to you. Fine, he wants to make you financial free. So be patient. What is a wallet? What is a block? Kindly read each and everything. You'll understand each and every term. What is blockchain? What is Genesis block? What is Genesis wallet? What is lock time? What is transaction? What is addresses? What is block explorer? What is cryptography? What is liquidity? What is meaning of seed in cryptocurrency world? What is a transaction fee? What is white paper? All the plan of this curve, how it will go, all the phases. What is coin? What is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency exchange? What is token? And what is token distribution? Go through each and every term, understand it. Go in this website. Don't sign up anything now. All instructions will be given to you, because this is really a unique concept, and this is a unique coin also. It is different from all others. So be patient. If you want to be financial free, if you want to enjoy life, just relax, wait for instructions, don't make mess of anything. Thank you.